Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Glitchify effect colorful and glowing. To make that effect you will need a paid plugins as Glitchify and a deep glow. If you don't have these plugins, feel free to DM me on Instagram and I will send you them for free. In case if message button is not visible on Instagram and you can't DM, comment the word plugins on my pinned post and I will send you my plugins for free. And now let's begin making an effect. First of all, select a roto brush tool and double-click on your clip. Rotoscope your car as smooth as possible. Once you are done, click on Freeze button. As the freezing is done, go back to Composition. Duplicate your clip now and rename it to Roto. Duplicate Roto layer and then select bottom one and pre-compose it. Name it to Glitchify and make sure to select Move All Attributes and then hit OK. Select your very bottom clip that was the main one and make sure to delete Roto brush on it. Select Glitchify layer now and add Glitchify plugin on it. Expand Image Glitch and toggle it off. Expand Color Glitch and toggle it off as well. Expand Channel Glitch, then Channel Scale and Channel Split. Check Vertical and change Offset and Speed Multiplier both to 0. Also change Horizontal Amount to 0 and then start increasing scale. And now as you can see we have that Glitchify effect, but it doesn't look cool yet. Before we make it colorful, let me show you my favorite option. Go to Advanced, then Channel Scale and check Fill Gaps and you will have that look. I will stay on this one. Now let's make it colorful and glowing. First add 4 color gradient effect. Change blending mode to saturation. Now simply play around with the colors until it looks cool to you. And now as you see the Glitchify is all colored and that looks way better to me. Now add a deep glow plugin on that layer and make sure to decrease the exposure a bit. That's how you make a Glitchify effect colorful and glowing in a very easy steps. Don't forget to DM me on Instagram or comment on my pinned post a word, plugins, and get my plugins for free. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.